Would you believe that a wave you can't see, a cloud you can't smell, or a beam of light you can't feel could kill you instantly? Today's countdown will reveal the Earth's most terrifying natural forces, including a phenomena and number one so powerful that scientists say nothing on the planet can survive it. Stay until the end, because what you're about to hear may completely change the way you think about nature. Welcome back to Top Wonder, the channel where we explore the most shocking, dangerous, and unbelievable wonders on Earth. Today, we're counting down the 10 natural phenomena that can kill you in seconds, from invisible killers to sudden catastrophes capable of wiping out entire landscapes. Let's begin. Number 10. Rogue waves. The ocean's silent assassins. Out in the open ocean, sailors have told stories for centuries about walls of water appearing out of nowhere, towering 80 to 100 feet high, smashing ships to pieces in a single blow. These were once considered myths, until scientists started catching them on radar. Rogue waves don't follow the rules of normal ocean behavior. They appear suddenly, without warning, often doubling or tripling the height of surrounding waves. Their impact forces can reach 100 tons per square meter, enough to snap steel hulls in half. In 1995, the Dropner wave, the first scientifically confirmed rogue wave, struck a North Sea oil platform with unbelievable power. Many cargo ships, fishing vessels, and even small passenger boats have vanished with no distress call, believed to be victims of rogue waves. There's no time to prepare, no chance to evade, just one towering wall of water, and then nothing. If you're in the wrong place at the wrong moment, it's over instantly. Number 9. Pyroclastic flows, the most dangerous thing in a volcano. Most people think lava is the deadliest part of a volcanic eruption. They're wrong. The real killer is the pyroclastic flow, a 10 degrees Celsius, 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit avalanche of superheated gas, ash, and rock racing downhill at over 400 miles per hour. Anything in its path, wood, steel, stone, human bodies, is burned, crushed, or vaporized instantly. In 1902, the city of St. Pierre, Martinique, was obliterated by a pyroclastic surge that killed 29,000 people in less than 2 minutes. The heat was so extreme that it ignited clothing and melted glass. You can't outrun it. You can't hide from it. And you can't survive it. If you ever see one coming, your life is measured in seconds. Number 8. Sinkholes, the ground opening beneath you. Imagine walking through your home, your street, your town, and suddenly the ground beneath you collapses, dropping you into a pit 100 feet deep. Sinkholes form when underground rock dissolves, leaving empty chambers waiting to collapse. In 2013, a man in Florida was swallowed alive when his bedroom floor suddenly opened up. His body was never recovered. The sinkhole was too deep and unstable. Sinkholes can devour houses, cars, highways, and even entire neighborhoods. Some appear gradually. Others open in less than a second. No warning, no noise, just instant, catastrophic collapse. The earth can turn on you without mercy. Number 7. Dry lightning, thunderstorms with invisible danger. Lightning is deadly, but dry lightning is even worse. This phenomenon occurs during thunderstorms that produce lightning but no rain. Because there's no moisture to cool the air or dampen the ground, a single bolt can ignite massive wildfires. Temperatures in a lightning channel can reach 30 degrees Celsius, 54 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of the sun. In 2020, California suffered one of the largest wildfire outbreaks in history when over 10,000 dry lightning strikes hit the state in just 3 days, sparking fires that burned millions of acres. A bolt hitting the ground near you can kill instantly through cardiac arrest, neural shock, or direct impact. One flash, one strike, 1 second, and life is over. Number 6. Flash floods, water that moves faster than you can run. You might imagine floods as slow and predictable, but flash floods are something else entirely. Triggered by storms, melting snow, or sudden dam failure, these floods surge through valleys and cities at 20 to 30 miles per hour, carrying trees, rocks, cars, and entire buildings. In 2010, Pakistan experienced a devastating flash flood that swept away entire towns. Victims often describe hearing a low roar, then suddenly being engulfed by a wall of water. Just 6 inches of fast-moving water can knock an adult off their feet. Just 2 feet can sweep away a car. And when it hits, the force is instant and overwhelming. Mother Nature doesn't need an ocean to drown you. Just a narrow valley and the right storm. Stay with me, because number 2 is a phenomenon so sudden, so violent, and so invisible that most victims never even know what killed them. Number 5. Lahars, volcanic mud flows that bury cities alive. A lahar is a deadly mixture of volcanic ash, mud, rocks, and debris that flows down mountains like wet concrete. Unlike lava, which moves slowly, lahars can race downhill at 60 miles per hour, fast enough to outrun cars. In 1985, the Nevado del Ruiz volcano in Colombia triggered a lahar that buried the town of Armero, killing over 23,000 people overnight. Entire families were encased in mud so quickly that many victims never even had time to scream. Lahars harden like cement, trapping anything they engulf: houses, roads, forests, and human bodies, sealing everything under meters of rock-hard mud. A single eruption can erase a city in seconds. Number 4. Rip currents, the ocean's hidden traps. Rip currents are narrow, fast-moving channels of water that pull swimmers away from shore at up to 8 feet per second, faster than an Olympic swimmer at full speed. They're almost invisible, they're silent, and they account for over 80% of beach rescues worldwide. Most victims die because they panic and exhaust themselves trying to swim against the current, a fatal mistake. Rip currents can pull you 100 to 200 yards offshore in under a minute. Even strong swimmers and trained lifeguards can be overpowered. The beach may look calm, but the water beneath can be deadly. Number 3. Lake Nyos CO₂ Explosion, the silent gas that suffocates entire villages. In 1986, a mysterious event in Cameroon killed 1,746 people and over 3,000 cattle in a single night, without fire, water, or any visible destruction. The killer? A limnic eruption. Lake Nyos, sitting atop volcanic rock, suddenly released a massive cloud of carbon dioxide that flowed silently into surrounding villages. People collapsed instantly, unable to breathe. There were no warnings, no signs, no survivors in the immediate zone. To this day, Lake Nyos remains one of the most frightening examples how invisible natural forces can wipe out thousands instantly. A cloud you can't see, a breath you can't take, and it's over. Number 2. Solar flares, the sun's instant kill shot. Solar flares are massive bursts of radiation from the sun, and while Earth's atmosphere shields us from most of them, a large enough flare hitting directly could be catastrophic. A strong X-class flare can disable satellites, shut down GPS, destroy power grids, fry electronics, expose airplane passengers to lethal radiation. The 1859 Carrington event, the largest solar storm ever recorded, set telegraph lines on fire and caused widespread electrical damage. If a Carrington-level event struck Earth today, experts estimate airplane passengers could be exposed to fatal radiation, global power systems could collapse, communications would fail, hospitals, water systems, and economies could shut down. Everything would change in less than 60 seconds. We wouldn't see it, we wouldn't hear it, we wouldn't feel it, but it would hit us instantly. Number 1. Gamma ray burst, the most powerful explosion in the universe. This is, without exaggeration, the most destructive natural phenomenon known to science. A gamma ray burst, GRB, is a beam of ultra-high energy radiation caused by a collapsing star or supernova. If one hit Earth directly, it would destroy the ozone layer, trigger mass extinction, ignite the atmosphere, boil the oceans, burn the surface of the planet, erase all life within seconds. The energy released in a single GRB is greater than the output of our sun over its entire 10 billion year lifespan. In 2004, a GRB 50,000 light years away briefly disrupted Earth's atmosphere. And that was just a glancing blow. A direct hit? Humanity wouldn't even realize what happened. Instant, total, unavoidable destruction. The universe's final kill shot. And there you have it, the 10 natural phenomena that can kill you in seconds. From rogue waves and volcanic avalanches to silent gases and cosmic death rays, nature is full of forces far more violent and unpredictable than we imagine. Which one shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next countdown on Top Wonder.